Okay, let me get started on my evening chores of pruning my squash, zucchini, and my tomato plants today. And clean up my garden bed. I have a lot of weeds that are growing up around the area. Looking like a little jungle over there. Getting full over here. So I'm getting ready to tackle pruning my squash and zucchini. Harvesting some of my green beans and yellow wax beans that I see growing over there. Checking out my cucumbers. Boy, I see a lot of blooms coming over there. Then I'm gonna go over there and tackle tomato alley, prune some of the tomatoes over there, and clean out my cabbage bug-eating beds over there and decide what I'm gonna replant in those grow bags. Let me get started on this evening hard work I've got to get busy with. At least it's cooled up a little bit this evening. It's too hot earlier to be coming out here. So let me get started. Ah, look at here. I get to harvest some green beans today. Okay. Yeah, looking good. Let's see if I see any more. I see a few. Look at y'all. Okay. Over here, I saw some yellow wax beans. Let's see where they are. Look at here. Look at that. The yellow wax beans. Okay. I got a few that I can harvest today. Look through here. You gotta look through all your leaves to see if you find any more of your. I see a few of those. I come back later and pick them up because they not as big yet. Let me get started harvesting a few of my green beans today. Okay, I did some pruning over here in my squash and zucchini area. Open up some of the airways in here so beautiful blooms of the squash and the zucchini. The bees can see them and come and help pollinate them more. See one growing big right there. Okay. Okay, I pruned off some of the leaves on my squash and zucchini. And I harvest a little bit of my yellow wax beans and my green beans. Still have a lot of blooms. Still here, waiting for my green beans and my yellow wax beans to grow more. And look at all of the beautiful blooms on my cucumbers. Oh boy. Okay, cucumbers. Like y'all gonna have a lot coming. Let's see one. Okay. Okay, cucumbers. Continue to grow. See, y'all looking beautiful. And all your yellow. Yellow flowers blooming on you. Okay, cucumbers.